My name is Bob Usman. I am the Vice President of Business Development for Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions. My role is to develop new opportunities and new clients in the aerospace and defense industry. What makes Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions different is our perspective in manufacturing. We come from a heritage of winning, and racing winning is very important, and our perspective every day is we're running a race that we have to win. Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions was developed as a part of the Roush Yates Engine group to support their manufacturing needs for racing engines and for their racing program. Approximately 6 years ago, we made the strategic decision to take and leverage all of that expertise, the people, the equipment, the experience we had, and grow it into the aerospace and defense industries. During the strategic planning part of our growth, as we decided to go into the aerospace and defense industries, we found that there were a number of barriers of entry to get into those markets. What we wanted from NCMEP was the help and the assistance in breaking through those barriers. What drew us to the program was the unbiased nature of the program, the confidentiality, and the thorough preparation of the program when they came to address us with the needs that we have.
My name is Shannon Howe. I am the AS9100 Management Representative for Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions. My role at Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions is dealing with the quality management system and making sure that we do what we say we're going to do. And to that end, we needed to make the transition from Rev C to Rev D.
The NCMEP team came in, systematically analyzed our quality management system, created a review of that system, did a gap analysis, and gave us very clear and concise directions on how to address the deficiencies we have and close the gap that we need to close. Working with the NCMEP team has been, it's been a great relationship. They're very forthcoming with information. The communication has been outstanding. We like all the people. They've just worked very, very well with us. Had they not come and had they not given us that support, we would not be in the position to do work in the aerospace and defense industries. Through the advice and support of the team and the preparation that they gave us, we found a reduction in the costs of trial and error that we would have had to incur without their support and without their efforts. The other measurement that I would say that came out of our efforts with the team over the years has been the opportunity costs that we've gained because of the support that we've gotten from them through their audits and their analysis and their help and support for our program. We have experienced improvements both in time saving and productivity through the continuous improvement of our quality management system. And the continuous improvement of our quality management system came directly out of the recommendations and the advice that the team has given us. Because of the critical nature of our AS9100 certification and all the processes that go with it, if we had not had that support and help to create that quality management system and the processes, we literally would not have any revenue or growth in the aerospace and defense industries. Most, if not all of our customers require us to have the certifications that the team helped us to achieve.